Learning how to make whipped cream with an immersion blender is great when you want just a little bit of fresh whipped cream for ice cream, a slice of cake, flan, something like that. You just want a little bit, one serving, not a lot. The same things hold true when making a small batch like this. You want to make sure that everything is as cold as possible. So put your immersion blender and the container in which you're going to whip the cream into the refrigerator 30 to 60 minutes before you want to make the whipped cream. For this small batch, I'm going to use half of a cup or 120 grams of heavy whipping cream. In terms of the sugar, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of granulated white sugar. I know some people use confectioner sugar. There's debate as to which is better. Honestly, I've always used white sugar and it's been okay. And I'm also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This extract is clear, but if it's brown, don't worry, it's not going to turn your whipped cream brown. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this half of a cup of heavy whipping cream into my container. I'm going to add the 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Let's see if I can get a little more out. Now I'm going to blend this. This should not take very long at all. You can see it getting thicker. At this point, you're going to have to shake off some of what's underneath and on top of the blender. Lift up the blender and knock it down like that. At this point, the whipped cream is getting pretty thick, so your immersion blender might come apart. Just put it back together and keep blending. And there you have it. Fresh whipped cream. In about a minute, maybe minute and 15 seconds. Like I said, this is perfect for ice cream, perfect for cake, making a slice of cheesecake look very presentable with maybe some chocolate drizzle. Nice and delicious. When you want to serve, it holds its shape very nicely. There is the whipped cream made with an immersion blender. Nice and easy. The next time you need a little bit of whipped cream for a slice of cake or a bowl of ice cream, don't reach for that can in the refrigerator. Instead, reach for your immersion blender and learn how to make quick and easy whipped cream. If you already have a homemade whipped cream recipe, I'm not sure if you've ever added vanilla to it. If not, you should definitely give it a try because a little bit of vanilla extract in homemade whipped cream goes a long way. It makes it a lot better. This homemade whipped cream could be used for cheesecake, ice cream, Argentine rice pudding, flan, and a lot of other things. As I've said in previous videos, a lot of Argentine desserts are served mixto, or with whipped cream and dulce de leche caramel. In the near future, I'm going to do some dessert recipes that are really good when served with fresh whipped cream. So stay tuned. Until then, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.